Number 7, we want to find domain again. So again, this time I'm just going to focus on what's inside. I'm not going to worry about the log or anything. I'm just focused on what is inside the parentheses. So I have x, or negative x, plus 4 divided by 5. This has to be greater than 0. So to get rid of a fraction, I'm going to multiply by 5. So when I multiply by 5, 5 times 0 is still 0. So that gives me negative x plus 4 has to be greater than 0. Then we will subtract 4 from both sides, and that will give me negative x is greater than negative 4. And then to get rid of the negative, I have to divide by negative 1 or multiply by negative 1. Anytime you multiply or divide by negative, when you have an inequality, you got to flip the sign. So this becomes positive, this becomes less than, this becomes positive 4. So any number that is less than 4 will work. In interval notation, that would be negative infinity to 4. Since that arrow head is pointing that way, negative infinity is my left bound, 4 is my right bound. Negative infinity to 4. And number 8, we want to do a graph again. So all I'm doing is looking at this value because we don't have any transformations. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, so that's bigger than 1. So my graph should be curving up and crossing at 1, 0, which this one is. That one's going the wrong direction, it's curving down. This one is curving up but doesn't cross at 0, 1. This one is curving down. So there's only one that matches. And again, just focus on that general shape. Whenever it's bigger than 1, it should look like this. Always, always, always crossing at 1, 0.